Hi everyone! Today I will make a bibimbap. Bibimbap means literally mixed rice. It's one of our signature Korean food. These are ingredients for bibimbap. Some bean sprout, lettuce, and a bowl of rice, and shiitake mushroom, and an egg, and some beef. Tender part of beef is good. And minced garlic, and cooking wine, some pepper, and syrup. This one is a syrup made by Korean plum. And then first I will marinate to this beef. I need a bowl, and here's a bowl, and put some meat here. And then you put some cooking wine and some pepper and minced garlic. And you need soy sauce. A spoon of soy sauce is enough. Okay. And then you mix it. And you set aside for 10 minutes. After that, we fried it. Now, I will show you how to make this shiitake for the bibimbap. So, cut it, slice. Okay, when you cut already, put here. And then we need some boiling water, so pour a cup of water. And I need some more. Okay. And when the water is boiling, you put this shiitake mushroom and boil little time. It's not too long time. Okay? And then put here ready. So I will cut this carrot. We need just a matchstick size. Okay, ready the carrot. You put the carrot here. And then cut this lettuce. Maybe this size is enough. If you don't have any lettuce or bean sprout and carrot, you can change any kind of vegetables. It's okay. Now water is boiling, so you put shiitake mushroom. It doesn't need a long time because I'll fry it one more time. So take out in 1 minute. After 1 minute, and then rinse it. Cold water. Okay. And now this pot is boiling water also, so you put bean sprouts. And you put some salt. Not too much. And when you boil this bean sprout, you put the lid. And after 30 seconds or 1 minute, it's boiling now. I think bean sprouts need some more time than shiitake mushroom. This one need about 1 and 2 minutes. And then I will prepare some water to rinse the bean sprout. Okay, maybe it is ready. Take it out. And also rinse with cold water. And I think it's better to rinse again with cold water. Now you rinse it second time. When you taste feel more good, it's better to rinse 2 or 3 times. And drain water and set aside. Okay, and put here. Now I will fry this carrot and this beef and shiitake mushroom. I fried it. So I need a pan. Here's pan. First I will fry the carrots. Put some cooking oil. Okay, when the frying pan is hot, and then you put the carrot. And I seasoned a little bit of salt. Not too much. Because after when we serve the bibimbap, we need the chili paste together. So you don't need to make this one just the proper salty. When fried for 1 minute. When fried it, these carrots and put on the plate. And after we fried this beef, you put some more cooking wine, little bit. Yes, that's it. And put ready for serve. And then next we'll fry shiitake mushrooms. Mushroom. And also some cooking wine. You put this shiitake mushroom. And here, put pepper. You put little bit garlic, minced garlic. A little bit of soy sauce, not too much. Okay, it's ready. So you put here this bean sprout. You don't need to fry bean sprout. Bean sprout is, we say 무친다, and you seasoned some sesame oil and okay, I need a bowl out here. You squeeze the water. Okay, I'll show you. You squeeze the water from the bean sprout. A handful of bean sprout is enough. And you put here. We need some minced garlic. Also, you can put, some people like here chili powder, but I prefer to little bit sesame oil and salt. Here's some salt. Little bit. And sesame oil. And you put sesame oil, just a spoon of sesame oil. And mix all together. And usually I use my hand. I will show you how to do it like this. When you use your hand, maybe it's better to taste better because this salt or sesame oils come into the vegetable easily. And put sesame seed. And okay, and I already vegetables and meat, the same amount of vegetable and meat. But if you have some more the other vegetables, and you can put in a bibimbap. That's okay. And another ingredient. This is now I'll make a chili paste for this bibimbap. Now I'll make a chili paste sauce for bibimbap. This is a chili paste. We call gochujang. So you put 1 spoon of gochujang, chili paste, and one more. This one, plum syrup, Korean plum syrup. So you put half a spoon of plum syrup. You mix together. And this is sesame oil. 1 spoon of sesame oil. Korean people like sesame oil very well. So you put together. Sometimes it's okay to sesame seed also. Okay. And it's ready, the chili paste sauce. And then the last, we need an egg and fried egg. So the sunny side up is much look better. So okay, it's already cooked. So turn off and now I think we are ready for served. So I will show you how to put in a bowl. So we need a bowl. And first I told you that we need a bowl of rice. So put a bowl of rice first. It's warm rice and put here. And now I put some carrot, like a carrot, and some bean sprout, and these should I take mushroom, and here's lettuce, and we put some beef, okay, and you can serve a chili paste sauce different a bowl, or is put the middle of this cooked vegetable. The middle of cooked vegetable, you put some chili paste sauce in the middle, an egg, like this. The bibimbap. This is bibimbap. Now I'm ready for eat this bibimbap. So when you eat, you mix it thoroughly with. I think it's better to mix with your chopstick, using chopstick, because when the rice and vegetables are easily, you can mix it. So use your chopstick, and it will. I'm sure that it will be very tasty. And also many foreigners like this bibimbap. Also, Korean people usually eat this one for lunch. And the bibimbap is very famous. Named is Jeonju Bibimbap. Jeonju is south part of Korea, the city's name. So we call Jeonju Bibimbap. If you any chance to eat Jeonju Bibimbap, maybe the ingredients are a little bit different, but you will like it. I'm sure that. Okay, that's it. Bye.